Hey there, quick question for you. We've got just 2 months left until the year wraps up. How's your profit looking so far? Well, guess what? This video is tailor-made for you. We're about to spill the beans on a super simple yet crazy effective strategy that works like a charm. Seriously, it's a game changer for Forex, crypto, stocks, you name it. Once you get the hang of this strategy, you'll be trading circles around 90% of those other folks out there. And guess what? We're not using anything fancy or expensive. Nope, just some straightforward free indicators. Big traders call this a hack, and we're sharing it all in this video. But before doing that, please just smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet, because by doing that, the YouTube algorithm is going to show this video to more traders and people like you who are keen to know all about this unknown, creepy world of trading, especially about technical analysis. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you're going to be the first to be informed when I'm uploading a new video, which I'm doing on a daily basis. So, do yourself a favor and pay close attention. We're revealing the names of these magical indicators and showing you exactly how to set them up. Picture this, an average accuracy rate of over 79% on a 5-minute chart. Exciting, right? First things first, click over the Indicators tab. Look for multiple EMAs by Salem Selva. Apply it and tweak the settings. Set the first EMA length to 9 and the second one to 21. Don't mess with the rest. Keep them at 50, 100, and 200. Oh, and make sure all EMAs are based on closing prices. Got it? Good. Now, back to the Indicators tab. This time, find the arrow buy-sell indicator for trading on the Moscow exchange. Apply it, then customize the style settings. Simple stuff. Just follow a line and uncheck a few boxes. And there you have it, your setup's good to go. It's easy, it's fuss-free, and most importantly, it's profitable when you follow the rules. I've got some exciting news for you. Bybit, the crypto exchange everyone's talking about. Imagine earning up to 30,000 USD in deposit rewards, enjoying zero maker fees for the first 30 days, and trading with the lowest spreads and fees in the market. Yes, it's all possible. And guess what? Bybit is among the top 3 global crypto exchanges. So why wait? Click the link below and dive into the action. Trust me, every trader needs to be on Bybit. Don't miss out. Let's make those trades count together. Let's talk strategy. For a winning buy setup, watch those moving averages. When the yellow one's up top and the red one's below, that's your green light. Wait for a green buy signal from our second indicator, and when it pops up, make your move on the next fresh candle. Set your stop loss just below the recent low, and as for taking profits, well, that's up to you. You can cash out when the price touches any of those moving averages. Easy, right? But don't go anywhere, because just before the end of the video, I will show you a way, and I have a surprise for you, how to push your profits to the limit. Now, for a sell setup, it's the opposite game. Yellow at the bottom, followed by wild blue, green, and red. When a red signal shows up, that's your cue to sell. Execute your trade on the next candle and set your stop loss above the recent swing high. And just like before, profits can be snagged when the price hits any of those moving averages. Oh, and a pro tip. Don't bother trading on those flat markets where the moving averages aren't showing any clear direction. Trust me, it will save you from unnecessary losses. Give this strategy a shot. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. And here's the golden rule. Be patient, don't rush into trades. I genuinely hope this strategy brings in some serious profits for you. For more awesome tips and tricks, make sure to check these videos and playlists right here. Hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on. Happy trading, and catch you later.